Welcome to Net Counselor YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about Andhra Pradesh Category B and C Round 1 Cutoff. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and click bell icon. Now we see about the MBBS Management Quota Round 1 Cutoff. First, in the column 1, I'm giving the college name. Then Category B, only I'm giving the general ranks only. Category C NRI quota, general category I'm giving that. For first one, Apollo 443 in category B and 196 in NRI quota category C. Then second one, Alluri Sitaramaraju 472 in category B and 139 in category C. Third college, Great Eastern Srikakulam. The 4111 was category B cutoff and 147 was category C cutoff. GSL 443 in category B and 152 in category C. Gayatri Vidya Parishad 409 in category B and 138 in category C. Kathuri Medical College Guntur 437 in category B and 150 in category C. Konasema 423 in category B and 166 in category C. Maharashtra 418 in category B and 297 in category C. For Narayana Nellore 470 in category B and 140 in category C. NRI Chinnakakani 507 in category B and 162 in category C. NRI Visakhapatnam 424 in category B and 142 in category C. PES Kuppam 451 in category B and 202 in category C. Dr. Pinna 455 in category B and 196 in category C. Shantiram 421 in category B and 142 in category C. Vishwabharati Kurnool 409 in category B and 140 in category C. According to the student preference, first college was NRI 507. Then least college was Vishwabharati Kurnool 409. Then second rank college was Alluri Sitaramaraju. Then third one Dr. Pinamani and P.S. Kuppam. In NRI quota, first college goes to P.S. Kuppam. Then least college was Gayatri Vidya Parishad 138 score. Then Muslim Minority College Fatima 299 in category B and 171 in category C. Then Nimra Vijayawada 323 in category B and 235 in category C. Fatima was the least score college in category B. Then Autonomous College Sri Padmavati for Women Tirupati 160 cutoff. So in round 1, approximately every college is having 420 and 450 like that. For a second round cutoff, it will decreases minus 10 to every college, minimum minus 10 to every colleges. So in both colleges like Gayatri and Vishwabharati, minimum we can expect 395 plus cutoff. The first one we are said about that 410 was the safer cutoff. Exactly only 1 mark it reduced to 409 only it reduced. Then second round cutoff maximum we are expecting 392, 395 plus is a safer cutoff. For Muslim minority colleges, safer cutoff was for PMO around 265 to 270 they can able to get, and in Nimra Vijayawada also 300 plus they are able to get. In Sri Padmavati means only that NRI quota seat only available, so minimum 150 plus cutoff means in round 2 they can get. Need free test series I'm conducting now, daily 15 questions. That means every step subjects having 5 questions each. If you want to attend the exam test means join Telegram group and you can attend. If you have any doubt means just WhatsApp in my number. In every weekend 50 plus questions will be given as a test. Then before exam 10 mock test at least we will finish that.